What's up, Sinfados and Sinfadelettes? In this video, I'm going to show you guys a cool little hack to do with your hat. Yeah, you guessed it. And it's very simple to do. Now, if you guys are new to Cinix TV, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for a lot more videos that we got coming up for you guys. Oh gosh, I'm so hungry. Has that ever happened to you guys that you're sitting there in class and you're starving? Like me, for example, every time I go to class, I always get the munchies. If you follow me and you're the same way, then I got the perfect thing for you guys. And it's very, very simple. It happens to be sitting on top of my head. Regular hat, guys. As you guys can see, the back, it has an opening. It's a snapback hat, guys. It has these little buttons here that you just push in. Now this is perfect if you guys are hungry. I'm gonna show you why. When you guys go into class, your teacher says, take that hat off, right? And that's okay, you can take it off. But what happens is you have a big compartment inside of your hat that you guys can hide stuff in. So it's perfect. You just sit it down and be like, okay, that's fine, I'll take it off. If you happen to have Takis and you're craving your Takis, then you just take those babies out, just like I have here. Some Takis. Now these are very delicious, as you guys already know. Your teacher's not gonna let you just open this bag, sit up in class, and have some Takis while you're doing your classwork, right? That's not gonna happen, guys. So you take your hat and you wanna place your Takis under it just like this, but you wanna make sure that the opening to the bag and the opening to the snapback is in the same direction. Then next, you just wanna tuck in your bag, just like I'm doing so here. Very simple to do. And you're set. So once you put that hat down that your teacher told you to take off, you just tuck in your Takis right under there and you're ready to go. So next time you're just sitting there doing your classwork, then you're like, oh, I'm hungry. And you make sure your teacher's not looking, but even if she is looking, she can't notice this, right?
Not from this angle.
Perfect. You just dip in, just like I'm doing so here, and look at this. A delicious Taki.
Oh, it's delicious.
It does. And I will eat it now. So here you go. A simple little hack to do with your hat. Because when you take your hat in class, you're going to have to put it on the desk anyways. So might as well use it for something, right? Other than just taking up space. And that's how you guys can easily sneak in your snacks into class. For example, this Taki bag. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe to Cinix TV. We'll be putting out a whole bunch of new fire for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. As for me, I'm half of Cinix TV, Sinfado aka Omega Skull, and I'll see you later.